Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to copy trade on Fundednext. Copy trading on Fundednext sounds like you're plugging into someone else's strategy, but it's actually more like cloning your own trades across multiple accounts. When I set this up, the first thing I keep in mind is the rule. You can only copy trades between accounts under your own name, and the total combined capital can't go over $300,000. What I usually do is choose one account as my master account. That's where I place trades manually or using a bot. Then I connect my other accounts as slave accounts, so whatever happens on the master gets copied automatically. To make this work, I use a trade copier tool, often something VP space, which keeps everything synced even if I'm not actively watching. Don't try to copy trades from other people or use signal services. It's against rules and can get your account flagged. Keep everything under your control and you're good. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.